Hi guys, currently I'm about to go to the store to get a couple of intimate products. I wanted to start the fall vlog here because why not? Excuse the hiccups. I wanted to start this vlog out by doing some fall cleaning because my room is a mess. And the thing is, I've been cleaning my room and doing stuff in my room like all week, but it's still a mess. So it's like stuff right at my foot as I speak. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys to the store with me because why not? It's currently Sunday, October 13th, and I've actually already filmed the video fall related, so I don't know if that'll come out before this video or after. Probably after, because this video will take a little minute to edit. Please ignore my nail. Please ignore my nail. I don't know where it's at. It came off and now I can't find it. You guys, I'm running off of kimbap, like 3 pieces of kimbap, an apple, and some grapes, but I'm gonna eat something when I get back. Hi you guys. So oopsie. I'm back home. I've been home for a while actually, and I've had dinner. I won't lie, I was cramping, so I had to make sure I ate because I hadn't eaten anything for the day. I had to get that out of the way in order to start effectively cleaning. As you guys see, there's a lot going on. There's pillows, and then over here there's all types of stuff. Just a mess. If you guys hear music, my sister's playing church music, so hopefully you guys can't hear. That's the sitch right now. I'm cutting this off real quick because I don't like stuff when it has tags on it still. I have sheets, they're green, they match the comforter pretty well actually, but I have to put that on, and then I'm also going to wash. These are the sheets right here that I'm going to wash. I forgot to wash these pillowcases. That stuff, as you guys see over there, that's like giveaway. It has to go. I don't know when it's going to go or where it's going to go, but it's going to get out of here. Yeah, I was trying to figure out why I had a headache, and it's because this thing is wrapped around my head real tight. But I don't have my lace laid down because I've been lazy. My lace is lifting, so that's why I had it on here. I washed my hair yesterday and I didn't want to, and it wasn't all the way dry, so I didn't want to glue it down yet. So the lace isn't down. Ooh. And I was really trying to figure out, like, girl, I was really like, oh, I have a headache or something. But I'm finna wrap it up. It's not as tight. Just not as tight because I already just had a headache. So I probably should have left it how it was. Now it's probably finna look a mess. But I don't really care because I'm trying to clean. Oh, it's just a lot going on in my head right now. Like, I have this headband, got a wig on, got a wig cap, then I got beats on. Wow. I'll see you guys tomorrow for more fall content. So you guys, we went to Trader Joe's and they had a kimbap. And I remember seeing like a Korean grandma review this or something. Let me see. I warmed it up because I'm cold right now. I don't want to eat anything cold. It's pretty good. It gives sushi. Out of 5 or out of 10? Out of 5, I give it 4. It's really good. Hey you guys, so it's a completely different day. I haven't really been filming for this vlog like that. Sorry, I've just had a lot going on. But today I was going to go run an errand, but I decided I wasn't gonna do that anymore. Guys, my package came in. Oh my gosh, where is it? My package came in. To get in the fall Halloween spirit, I decided to get some Halloween. I already had like fall nails on, as you guys seen it, and they're off. So I'm going to put these on to just they have little ghosts on them. Isn't that so cute? I wanted to talk about my day a little bit while I do this, because why not? So today and yesterday, I didn't film yesterday, but today and yesterday have been great, amazing, 10 out of 10 for me. How has you guys week been? Because this video is going out on a Friday or Saturday, so it'll be the end of the week kind of. I'm done applying my nails. Look at them, they have little ghosts on them. Isn't that so cute? Isn't that so cute? The little ghosts. So I'm all done. I'm actually really tired now. I have to look on my to-do list to see what else I have to do today. It's currently 5:55 p.m. I want to go on a walk today because I went on one. Was that yesterday? I went on one yesterday, and so I wanted to go on one today as well. But apparently, the air quality is not so good today, or there's something like in the air. I'm making a lot of noise, but I'm trying to close this up. It doesn't want to close. I think the things are in the way. Okay, finally, they're closed. My last nail set that was really long, I injured 2 of my nails. And if you guys watch, because I'm super careless a lot of the times, and the thing is, I know like I should be careful when I'm doing something. I literally tell myself like, you should be careful, but I just keep like not being careful, and then once it happens, I'm like, I can't say anything. Every time I injure myself, I'm just like, I can't say anything because I already knew that was gonna happen, but I didn't take the precautions. So I'm hurt and I can't say anything. There's nothing left to say, but I love my nails. I don't know if I'll film the rest of today or not because I have to edit this video and it needs to be out by 9 a.m. tomorrow. It's a long video too, mind you. I was filming clips all throughout this week. That's why I wasn't really filming for this video. But I was filming clips for that because I realized while I was editing it, some parts were missing. Some parts were missing and I wasn't filming as much as I needed to. So I just took this week to film whenever I could, whenever I had the time to film little clips for it. So I could finally finish it because it needs to come out tomorrow. And yeah, my book review video came out today. So make sure you guys go watch that. I'm gonna see you guys later or either tomorrow for like a fresh start. And I'll be filming a lot tomorrow. So, ciao. Good night. Going to return this package. Hopefully they take it. I mean, they should, but I always get nervous when returning things because it's just like, what if they don't return it or not? I mean, what if they don't take it or not? But yeah, let's go. We're going to February 21. Now we're in Michael's. Just searching. This looks a little. Shouldn't have brushed out my hair. I don't know how to. This is the glow form. Happy Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Here's the circuit stuff. What a price. This is for the cool stuff. I don't know. No, but these are pieces of mats. They got big ones too. They even got circuit pins. So pretty. Look at this. Now that we're back home. Super cute. I know. So I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night. I think I'm gonna post the vlog. What is it called? Lost Files vlog. I did the voiceover for it earlier today, way early in the morning. So I think I might do that. My curls have dropped significantly because I didn't do my flexi rods how I usually do them. I did them kind of messy and just not as synchronized to do them, so my curls have dropped, and I'm thinking I'm gonna curl it with the wand, because I've never curled this hair with like the wand, curling wand. So I might do that right now, even though I'm kind of hungry. Might eat first. I don't know, we'll see. My name's very joyous as I've gotten my very joyous as I've gotten my tasks done today. So I'm just gonna chill for the remaining of the day. For a little time check. Once it gets cold, I'm not wearing any dresses because just not. Usually I wear like baggy stuff during the winter. You guys know. Wear cargos, etc, etc. I don't have any like cold like long sleeve dresses either, so that's mainly why. And I don't have like tights and warm, what do they call, like warm tights with the fluffy stuff inside to keep it warm. I don't have those, so maybe I'll get those so I can wear skirts and stuff during the winter. But yeah,